Hello friends, and let us welcome you to Life Story, a channel where we tell stories from the lives of ordinary people and wish you a pleasant listening. Brad Sorden had lived his entire life for his country. He served in the army for many years. He went to war in Iran for a few years and earned a reputation for someone who was willing to die for his friends. He saved many lives, and quite a few soldiers are more than grateful to him. Brad, his wife Liz, and 3 kids live in Phoenix, Arizona. His family is well loved in their neighborhood. Everyone knows them well, and everybody is kind to them. For quite some time now, Brad has been living a dream. But August 15, 1999 is the day that he and his family will remember for life. A black spot on their life calendar. A terrible thing happened. A car accident. Brad, his wife and his sons were driving in their small pickup. One of the tires suddenly popped and Liz, who was driving, lost control of the car. The kids were buckled in, so they weren't hurt. Brad broke a leg, but for Liz, the disaster turned into a catastrophe. She broke her back and was paralyzed for life. She was rushed to hospital immediately after the accident, and when she woke up after an operation, the doctors broke the terrible news to her. She thought her life was over, but her partner didn't. They hadn't officially been married and both of them found it comfortable. But that day in the hospital, Brad got down on one knee and asked Liz to marry him and let him walk this path with her so that she wouldn't have to walk by herself any longer. Liz's rehabilitation was a hard journey, but she tried to keep her spirits up. She worked hard every day to recover at least somewhat, and her husband was there for her always. He worked as a technician, and his profession helped him to create a special wheelchair for Liz, which would give her back the opportunity to hike like before. For many nights and days he sat in his shed and worked on his project, bringing it to life, bugging everyone around, but he couldn't stop. He needed a wheelchair that could overcome terrains like sand. He put his heart into his work and showed it to his wife when it was ready. She cried. An American company that produced wheelchairs for mass market took notice of his work and offered to create a perfected version of Brad's invention. Now, Brad and his family, including Liz, have the opportunity to travel anywhere. What an achievement. So what do you think about Brad's invention? Thanks for listening. Leave comments and likes and subscribe to our channel.